Kafirataini. Kafiraini and kafirataini. Come to this chart. Musanna kafirani, and then in nasab form kafiraini, and in the jar form too it will be kafiraini. And here kafiratani will be kafirataini and kafirataini. Kafirataini. Musanna is complete, singular is complete, and musanna is complete. Kafirun, kafiran, kafirin, kafirani, kafiraini, kafiraini, kafiratun, kafiratan, kafiratin, and kafiratani, kafirataini, kafirataini. Is that clear? No. Kafiraini. Jama is kafirina.
No, you wrote there.
Where? Sorry. Raini, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Same. That proves I'm getting old too. Since teaching Arabic is out of my practice these days. Since Ahmad started teaching Arabic, I left started teaching Arabic. Alhamdulillah. He is a better teacher than mine. No, he's a better teacher. Alhamdulillah. I openly admit. There is only one teacher whose students cannot and could not go beyond him, that is Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. All others can produce better students than they are. We should be very clear about it. So now we come to the Jama. Jama al plural in Arabic is of two types. Regular plural, Jama Salim. Regular plural, Salim means intact, unbroken. And Mukassar means broken. Where the singular forms is intact and only certain addition is made to it. When the singular masculine form is intact and only a certain addition is made to it, that is called Jama Salim or unbroken plural. But if the relative singular masculine form is not found in the plural form, then it's called a broken plural. For example, singular is kitabun. Kitab, and what is plural? Kutubun. So, alif is dropped. So, the word kitab doesn't stand in plural. So, this is broken plural. You know, kafir has got two plurals. Kafir has got two plurals. Kafiruna or kafirina. These both are regular because the word kafir is there. So this is Jama Salim, unbroken regular plural. But the other is kuffarun. The word kafir is not there. So this is a broken plural. Similarly, Nabi has got two plurals. Nabiyun. Nabiyuna, Nabiyina. Nabiyuna and Nabiyina. These are regular. And Ambiya'u. This is broken. So since broken has got no rule, so you can't study. And you have English parallel too. Normally, The plural in English is with the addition of S-R-E-S. But what about feet? Foot is singular and feet is plural. The foot is not there. But leg is legs. So the concept of broken plural you will find in English like in Arabic. But the difference is in English there are few words which are in this category, but in Arabic they are numerous. The more classical Arabic will be with the broken plurals, and there is no rule for that. You have to look into the dictionary, or you have to have an example from the Qur'an or from Arabic literature, or some friend of yours speaks Arabic and you heard of him speaking the word, you will find, oh yes, it's a broken plural. Otherwise there is no rule.
There is a difference in meaning in Nabiyuna and
कुछ नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं. फायदा, what's that use? You will be very good poet. If Ambiya fits in your poetry, you will use the word Ambiya. If Nabiyun fits, you will put the Nabiyun. Now you would understand why every child from Arabs was a poet. Because the choice was there in vocabulary. So now we come to the plural. How to do that? And I've already mentioned the broken plural is used in Arabic language as an idiom, singular, feminine. Why? Actually there is no why, but just to remember, I've got a tip to remember that Ar-Rijalu Qawwamun 'ala an-Nisa. Men, Allah Almighty has made men responsible for the whole family. Right? But if a man cannot guard himself while getting converted to plural, so what type of masculine is he? It's just a feminine. So Arab treats him as single feminine, just a joke to remember. So the next heading is plural. How to form a regular plural. Jama, Salim are regular, unbroken plural. Musanna had a uniform rule in masculine and feminine, but in Jama there will be different rule for masculine and different rule for feminine. So first we'll talk about the masculine form. Jama Mudhakkar. Again you'll use the same formula. The singular masculine form we'll divide it into two. The last letter here and the rest of the word there. And we will add in Rafa form. First we are taking Rafa form, remember. In Rafa form, we'll give a Dhamma to the last letter. Dhamma to the last letter. And then add a Waw with Sukoon and followed by a Noon with Fatah to give an Una sound. In the end, it will have Una sound. Una sound. If I don't get a sight, just remind me. So, you have the original singular masculine form. Give a Dhamma to the last letter. Add a Waw with Sukoon followed by a Noon with Fatha to give an Una sound at the end. Muslimuna, Kafiruna, Mujahiduna, Shahiduna, Zahiduna, Kafiruna, Hafizuna, Mujahiduna, all. Yes. At-Taibuna, Al-Abiduna, Hamiduna, Saihuna, Raki'una, Sajiduna, Al-Amiruna bil-Marufi, Wan-Nahuna 'anil Munkar, Wal-Hafizuna li Hududillah. Beautiful ayah. But Ishaq has reminded, mashallah. So this is una sound. As-Sabiqun al-Awwaluna, As-Sabiqun al-Awwaluna, As-Sabiquna al-Awwaluna. Yeah. As-Sabiqun as-Sabiqun. In Suratul Ulaika al-Muqarrabun. So the same form. So bring it here. This would become Jama, Kafiruna. So we have only one box for masculine plural in Rafa form. Masculine plural in Rafa form. For feminine there has to be separate. So that we'll learn later. Then we come to the Nasab and Jar form. If Jama Muzakkar in Nasab as well as Jar form, how would it come? Again, the same division. The last letter of the singular masculine form will be given a kasra, followed by ya with sukun and noon with fatha, to give an ina sound. Ina sound. Make your mind and your ears and your eyes familiar with this ending. Arabic become very easy for you. Whenever you have una, you should immediately think, oh, it's masculine plural form. Rafa. And if it is ina at the end, it is the masculine plural form in Nasab and Jar. So it will become Kafiruna and Kafirina. And this too Kafirina. And the last chart, how to form a regular unbroken plural for feminine. Remember, again you will start from the masculine form. Because our rule was the concerned masculine plural for masculine singular form, if it is intact in plural, we'll call it regular unbroken plural. We'll not consider the feminine form. So we'll start again from here. The concerned masculine singular form, the last letter with the small line, and we will add a fatha to this and then an alif, followed by a ta makhtuta, the long ta. And for Rafa form, just add a dhamma to it, and for both Nasab and Jar form, add kasra to it. So it will never have a dhamma at the end, fatha at the end. The feminine plural form in Arabic will never ever have a fatha on it. So it can be muslimatun, muslimatin, never ever muslimatan. You will never find a samawata in the Qur'an. As-samawati wal arda. As-samawati wal ardi. Khalaqallahu samawati wal arda. Not was-samawata wal arda. Because there is no form of feminine plural with a fatha at the end. So in this example it will come as kafiratun in rafa form, kafiratin and kafiratin. And your homework is to make similar charts for kafir. You have already done. Then alim, mu'min, muslim, muhsin, and that's all. And if you have more examples with you, you can add to. But at least 3-4 you must do. 3-4 means this is the chart of 18 words. You will add 18 from this, 18 from this, 18 from this, 18 from this, and 18 from this. Beautiful example of this plural feminine is in Surah Tahrim. Brother Ishaq is reminding us, Asa rabbuhu in tallaka kunna yubdilahu azwajan khayram min kunna muslimatin mu'minatin qanitatin ta'ibatin abidatin sa'ihatin sayyibatin wa abkara. Abkara is broken plural, and all 7 before that are the regular feminine plurals.